Nature has perfected the art of recycling, constantly reusing materials in ways that ensure the planet's ecosystems remain balanced and sustainable. From animals to plants and even entire ecosystems, the natural world has developed ingenious ways to repurpose waste and maintain harmony. Here are the top 10 unbelievable ways nature recycles itself. 1. The carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is one of the most fundamental recycling systems in nature. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis and convert it into oxygen and organic matter. When animals and humans breathe out carbon dioxide, it returns to the atmosphere, completing the cycle. Decomposing organisms also release carbon back into the soil, keeping the Earth's carbon balance intact. 2. Nutrient recycling in rainforests. In rainforests, dead leaves, branches, and animal remains don't go to waste. Decomposers like fungi, bacteria, and insects break down organic material into nutrients, which are absorbed by plants through the soil. This nutrient recycling process ensures that rainforests, despite having poor soil quality, remain lush and fertile. 3. Coral reefs recycling calcium. Coral reefs are masters of recycling calcium. Corals extract calcium from seawater and use it to build their skeletons. When corals die, their skeletons break down and release calcium back into the water, where it can be reused by other marine organisms. This constant recycling maintains the health and structure of coral reefs. 4. Scavengers cleaning up the ecosystem. Scavengers like vultures, hyenas, and insects play a crucial role in nature's recycling process by consuming dead animals. This prevents carcasses from decaying slowly and spreading disease, while also turning organic material into nutrients that enrich the soil and feed other organisms. 5. Dead trees giving life. When trees die, they don't just decay and disappear. Dead trees become habitats for various species, including birds, insects, and fungi. Over time, as the tree decomposes, its nutrients return to the soil, nourishing new plants and contributing to the forest ecosystem's health. 6. Whale fall ecosystems. When a whale dies and its body sinks to the ocean floor, it creates a unique ecosystem known as a whale fall. Scavengers like sharks and crabs feast on the whale's remains, while bacteria break down the bones. This recycling of nutrients can support deep-sea ecosystems for decades, showcasing how death in the ocean leads to new life. 7. Mushrooms decomposing organic matter. Fungi, particularly mushrooms, are some of nature's best recyclers. They break down complex organic materials like wood and dead plant matter into simpler compounds that can be reused by plants. Without fungi, forests would be buried under layers of dead trees and leaves, and essential nutrients would be locked away. 8. Leafcutter ants composting. Leafcutter ants are nature's tiny farmers and recyclers. They cut leaves and bring them back to their underground nests, where they use the leaves to cultivate fungi. The fungi serve as the ants' primary food source. In this process, organic matter from plants is broken down and repurposed, keeping nutrients cycling within the ecosystem. 9. Earthworms aerating and enriching soil. Earthworms are vital to soil health, recycling organic matter into nutrient-rich soil. As they burrow, they aerate the soil, improving its structure and allowing plant roots to access more oxygen. By feeding on decaying matter, earthworms also break it down into simpler compounds, making nutrients available to plants. 10. Rivers and streams filtering water. Waterways naturally recycle themselves through a process known as bioremediation. Microorganisms living in rivers and streams break down pollutants and organic matter, filtering and purifying the water as it moves downstream. This natural cleansing process is crucial for maintaining clean water ecosystems and supporting aquatic life. Nature's ability to recycle itself is not only a marvel but also a necessity for maintaining life on Earth. These processes highlight how interconnected every living organism is and how nothing in the natural world goes to waste. As we learn more from these systems, we can draw inspiration for creating more sustainable human practices.